Well, hello. Someone looks happy. How are you, sweetie? That's good. These 2 weeks with you being here are really annoying. But it's entertaining for some part. I like it. I just hope you like my hospitality just fine. I certainly love your presence. Aw, come on, sweetie. Don't back away, please. You're too precious. What? I'm acting fine, sweetie. What do you mean? Well, I did commit some little crimes. Oh, relax. It was just some pickpocketing. Hey, I didn't keep the money I stole, darling. I put it on a little card for you. Here, buy whatever you want. Well, I couldn't buy anything for you during our carnival day because you wanted me to be good. Meaning don't steal anything from people. Remember, sweetie? So I did you a favor. Oh, I do remember when you tried to eat that whole cotton candy bucket in 10 seconds. I had to carry you all the way home. You're a lot lighter than I thought you would be. Well, sweetie, considering that you eat almost a lot of junk food in the house, I was still very surprised. Look, I would love to stay and chat with you about past and future memories. I wanted to talk to you about something else. My guards found your best friend, or as I call it, best bitch. The one that framed you. She's attending the 3rd president party this evening. Well, sweetie, the 3rd president party is a party that they host whenever a new president is selected within this town. But this is actually the first time that this person will be at the party, considering she broke a big case, finding out that you stole something valuable. But back to the task at hand, she'll be alone for exactly 10 minutes at this party before her speech about how she caught you red-handed and trusted you. Oh, sweetie, the party isn't just about the president. The party will be mainly about you. Keep in mind that incident only happened 2 weeks ago. It's still the topic of the town. You heard it, I hear it all the time. It's always on the news. However, it could be an amazing way to get your revenge on her after what she did to you. What's that face for? If you're worried about killing her, sweetie, I ain't telling you to. It could be a good way to get some answers for what happened that night. What? You don't want revenge anymore? What? What do you mean you don't want your revenge? Are you mental or something? Sweetie, are you insane? She got you hurt. She ruined your public image. She ruined your life, and you're gonna let her get away with this? Are you serious? It's in the past, more like the present. Do you see what's happening outside when it's your name, sweetie? I mean, for fuck's sake, I had to take you in all full black clothing so no one would recognize you. And even then, we had to hide from security guards because you were so suspicious. I don't understand. Why would you... Yes, I'm irritated. You came to me. You cried to me about her. You came to my aid because of her. You're leaving? Oh, yeah. And where's someone like you gonna go? Nobody on the outside likes you. You're staying with me, just as you always have been. No! Please don't make me do this, sweetie. Hey! You leave me no choice. I'll do all the work myself. Don't worry, sweetie. You'll see. Miss, the listeners slowly waking up. What do you want us to do? Don't worry about it. I will handle the listener on my own. You guys make sure everything is okay at that party. I did cause a little scene. Clean up any messes.
Yes, miss.
You're dismissed.
Thank you.
Ah, sweetie, you're awake. Just in time for the party. Oh, is someone scared because they've been chained up? Don't be scared now. You should have listened to me from the beginning, but you didn't. So I did all the work myself tonight. By the way, such amazing drinks and hospitality from the party. The music was really nice too. You would have looked ravishing on that dance floor. Oh, I brought us a best friend. You want to see her? Here she is. Oh, just look at her eyes. Battling in fear, panicking at every sheer movement of me. It's adorable. Now that she's faced with her enemy, she's speechless and shocked. But over a megaphone and police report, she's practically a Radiohead. I think it's amazing that such a personality change can be so quick for her. I don't even do that. And I'm the villain. Now let's see what torture she deserves. Oh, sweetie, why don't you pick for us? No? Letting me do everything again. Don't worry. I suppose it's in my field anyway. Let me think. Burning, electrocuting, decapitating. No, those require work, don't they? I think this will do for now. Aren't you excited, listener? Remember, I'm doing this only for you. I've always believed in you, even through all our adventures. I'm doing this for you. Aren't you proud of me? Oh, just listen! The way that it slowly scrapes and creeps into her skin. It's amazing to hear. Isn't it? Isn't it? Isn't it? Oh, don't look at me like that, sweetie. She deserves this. Why do you look so worried for her? She deserves this. For ruining your life, your career. What did you just say? Stop? Did you just tell me to stop? Oh, darling, you can't make me do anything now. Oh, sweetie, did you truly forget who I was? Has all the coddling gotten to your head about me? Let me tell you a little story. I used to like battling you. Seeing you struggle on the ground, gasping for air, blood coming out of your body, oh, I enjoyed it. It wasn't until this stupid bitch destroyed you. I wanted nothing more than to kill her ever since that moment. At the time, it was my job to destroy you. But when you came to me like a puppy, those eyes, something hit me. Then I thought about it. And I knew I had to get a lead to your heart. A lead for my dreams to come true. A lead to where I can get you in my arms. Why? Well, because we are both the same. What? What do you mean? Of course we are, sweetie. We're both broken. Both been betrayed and we're both misunderstood. We're perfect for each other, baby. We need to be together. I'm nothing like the others.
You are just as broken and pathetic as me. You are practically my twin, sweetie. You did this to yourself. You came to me. You cried to me. You slept in my bed. You ate my food and you sat on my couch. You want me. You need me. And you crave me. You just don't want to accept it, sweetie.
What? I was mainly doing it for the right reason.
Huh? What did I just say?
You're leaving? Oh yeah. And where's a person like you gonna fuck?
Fuck! No! Please don't make me do this, sweetie. You left me no choice.